We are going to replace the primer bulb on the Mercedes, and here it is, or a primer pump. There it is right there. This one leaks. And I think this one's a Bosch. Looks like it. Yeah. And here's our new one. It's also a Bosch. From Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So we need a 17mm wrench, and it's kind of a tight quarter, so let's see. I might have trouble getting in there. Let me see if I don't think I have a stubby 17, but I might have like a 11/16. I think is close. Let me see what I can find. We got our stubby. I did have a stubby 17. And I've got it broke loose. Actually didn't have much leverage in there, so what I did to break it loose, put my 17 on it and got in there with my pry bar up against the 17 and up against the motor mount over there, and pulled over the pry bar and broke it loose. And so our little sealing ring is stuck in there, it looks like. Let's see if we can pop that out. Let's say it's down in there. It looks like it's down in there. Let me get something and try to get it out of there. Get a little pick. Use that little pick. Got it out. So we got our new one here. And this one, you know, it was just leaking when you would pump it. Or the old one was. Alright. Get in there. Let's see. Should be tight enough. And no leaks. Pretty easy job. And we got a little diesel that leaked. We'll take our, don't want that sitting in the motor mounts. Sprayed it off with some brake cleaner. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching.